Imagine squeezing the entire mass of the Sun, that's 333,000 times Earth's mass, into a sphere the size of a city. Sounds impossible, right? That's essentially what a neutron star is, and it's mind-bogglingly dense. Today, we'll explore why these stellar remnants are so incredibly packed. Neutron stars are born from the explosive deaths of massive stars. When these stars run out of fuel, they collapse under their own gravity. This collapse is so intense that protons and electrons, the building blocks of atoms, are forced to combine, forming neutrons. It's this almost pure neutron composition that gives them their name and contributes significantly to their density. The immense gravity crushes everything together, overcoming the repulsive forces between atoms. Think of it like this: a teaspoonful of neutron star material would weigh billions of tons on Earth. They're so dense that if you dropped a marble onto one, it would instantly plummet through the surface and emerge on the other side. Some neutron stars, called pulsars, spin incredibly fast, emitting beams of radiation that sweep across space like a cosmic lighthouse. Neutron stars are truly extreme objects, showcasing the power of gravity and the bizarre physics that can occur in the universe. They represent the ultimate in compact matter, a testament to the incredible forces at play when stars die. Their density is a direct result of gravitational collapse and the formation of neutrons. So, next time you think about density, remember the neutron star, a city-sized object containing the mass of the Sun. If you found this video illuminating, please give it a like and subscribe for more cosmic explorations. Let us know in the comments what other space phenomena you'd like us to explain.